So far so good. I've driven 21.6 miles this time. No codes came back, and I've gotten the transmission hotter than last time. I've driven it normal, I've driven it spirited, I've driven it normal again. I've got no fault codes in the trans, and I'm gonna look at ATF temperature, 88 degrees. Last time I set the fault code was 67 degrees Celsius, so it's way hotter now. Also, last time it set the fault code, we were at 14 point something miles. I've done 21.6. Everything is looking good. However, I gotta go get my kids from school now, so I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna drive it again some more later once I'm done with the kids. And if all is well, then you can pick it up.